Welcome back for another episode of my Tesla Robotaxi video series. Here in episode 17, we go all the way from South Austin Park all the way over to the Palmer Event Center. It's about a 4.5 mile trip, which takes about 11 minutes in total. So a fairly quick ride. Something to keep in mind though, and I didn't realize this before, is that the Palmer Event Center shares a parking lot and driveway with the Long Center for Performing Arts, which we already visited once in a previous episode. So this is yet another test. That driveway, if you recall, is a bit tricky. You come off a roundabout and enter it that way, and then it kind of winds and zigzags a little bit. And it's not very well marked and so forth. So to me, it's tricky, but Robotaxi has no problem, as you'll see later in the video. So anyways, let's go for a ride here with Robotaxi and see how it handles this route. As I'm sure you're familiar if you've watched previous episodes, Austin loves their speed bumps, and we have a bunch more along this route. So basically, you'll see numerous speed bumps now for the next few minutes here as we get closer to the Palmer Event Center. All right, so as we came around the end of that roundabout there, the car will make one final lane change over to the right, at which point then we will soon enter the driveway for the Palmer Event Center. Now, we've been dropped off at this location by this point at least 3, maybe 4 times, and again, just like previous instances, Robotaxi handles this driveway, which I thought would be kind of tricky, handles it with no problem there. So, we'll be dropped off right in front of this white pickup truck here. And that pretty much concludes this drive. So no hesitations, no interventions, another easy drive or Robotaxi. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.